Oh, I didn't see you there. Hi, I'm Indy from Indy's Tie Barn, which is your go-to place for any ties that Indy wears in any of Indy's productions. And anytime you see Indy on a screen, he's wearing a tie. Now, you can get yourself this tie, which is from a Between Two Wars Season 2 episodes. That's Zeitgeist. And what does that mean? I don't know if you guys are language buffs, but that means time ghost. Time ghost. This is a tie I was wearing to round off the year 1921, the year of our Lord 1921. I even ended up with a little quote from none other than Virginia Woolf. Ain't that cool? Now this tie, this is something y'all, you should be proud to have. It's like somebody slapped a bunch of paint on it, right? Just a bunch of different colors, primary colors, right? And then they dug up Vincent Van Gogh and said, hey, why don't you rub your hands around on this so it looks a little bit vaguely Van Gogh-ish, if you know what I mean. And they did that, then they buried him again because they're nice people. And then they let it dry, and it had some funky little patterns on it. They're almost like ghosts. It's like Edward Munch and Vincent Van Gogh had a fight with some primary colors on a tie. It was just in the background, and then they did this and stuff. And you can have this tie, because that's what 1921 was all about. Ain't I right? If you're right, you're right, and I'm right. You can have this tie. Y'all get yourself over to Indy's Tie Barn, put in your bid. You get this. You get a little signature by me. It's going to have a Time Ghost label in it, and you get a funky little box. Sparty's going to get real annoyed because you've got to print out the labels, and it takes a lot longer than you think it would. All right. Well, this is the time for this. Come on down to Indy's Tie Barn. Tell them Indy sent you.